Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm come on here today because I want to show you how to, well, first of all, somebody asked me if I knew anything. The lady wants to do a bit of crazy quilt work, patchwork, and she had some really sheer fabric and she wanted to know if there was something that she could put it on to stabilise it so it wouldn't fray or come apart, okay? Now, I did say that I've only really used one thing that I would have done with this before. I'm not going to say for sure whether it's going to work for you, but this is what I have used. It should work, but then again you might not be able to get the right stuff. Now, I bought this here and it's called visafix, and it is a sticky paper, like you iron. We're going to iron onto that, and then you pull off the backing, which is the paper. Now it will iron onto, I've just did this piece here, and I don't know whether, I'm hoping that that bit there that's a bit brown was a bit dirty because to start with, because I'd be really disappointed. Now it's on here, this piece of lace has a bit of a mark on there, so that could have been on it. Now I've put it on there and I've taken the paper off the back of it, so I'm going to show you how it will work on the piece of ribbon. I've only got a small space here, so I'm only going to use a small thing. So you need an iron. That's that small thing I got there. Yeah, hubby just said, oh, I'll be able to figure out how to use that by looking on the internet. Very funny. I don't like ironing. Okay, so we don't usually have anything that needs ironing these days, so anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So I've got a little piece of fabric. I didn't overdo it with the fabric, did I? And I'm going to put the organza on the sticky side, this organza ribbon, and you can use your fabric, because she said hers is see-through, and this is a see-through organza. And you put that on the visafix, and that's what this is called, and it probably has another name in other places, but that's what I bought it. I bought it for, you know. Now I'm going to just put it on the ribbon because it'll all stick to the material, and I want to do that because I don't want to, well, I don't want to put it on my iron. You can turn it over that way, I suppose, and do it, but then you iron it to your towel. It'd be better to iron it to the, if accidentally, you know, if you've got I've only got a very small spot here to do this, but anyway, it's okay because I've done these, I've used this method here to make wings for bugs and things, you know, when I'm doing embroidery. So all you do is you iron across on that, right? Just iron on your fabric. I've got this on a cotton setting for the cotton. So that's stuck a bit, that did. See, because it, you know, got stuck to this part here. So that's why we'd use a piece of fabric over the top of it, because otherwise it would have got stuck to the thing there. And so there you've got that ironed onto there. Now interfacing I don't think would be, to my way of thinking, I think it'd be too stiff. I'll turn that over and just give that a little bit of a press there. I've still got that bit stuck to my towel. But see, if you're careful and you're quick, that's not going to melt it. Because, you know, usually if you put the iron on that, well, it would just frizzle up, wouldn't it? So now I can just get this, well, I might try to. We've got no fingernails now, broke me fingernail off. Just try if I can get, it's like getting the back off the double-sided sticky tape. It's not an easy process. Anyway, we might be able to do it here. And then you just can just take the back of it off. Now this is for used as in for doing things like applique, because and you'll have, when you pull that off, that part there is going to be okay, a little bit sticky, but okay. I mean, if you want to put that into a quilt, that'd be fine. I don't think you'd have to worry about this too much. I mean, if you had that all over the back of your fabric, it wouldn't be too bad, I don't think. If you wanted to leave it as a see-through or put it actually onto something else, because then it will just iron straight onto there. Up the other way probably be a better idea. so you don't get it stuck. And I've already got some stuck on there. I can feel my iron sticking to something. Well, that needs cleaning badly. But see, now that's fastened to that piece of fabric now. So whether if you want to use your, you know, your nice see-through fabrics and put something underneath them and then sew the crazy patchwork, that'd look really cool. You know, if you used the same colour, like a, although that still stays really bright and pretty, doesn't it? So that's sewn to there, and then you can stitch it and it won't fray and come undone or get lost or whatever, you know, or break or anything. But you can still use it like I showed you the first time anyway. Where's the white bit? And this here, I've just left the fray edge on, but once you cut along your piece of visafix, when it's taken off there, that's not going to fray off there now, look. The visafix is holding that, you know, so you can stitch along there. So therefore you can go and use that in your piece of work if you want to. So I hope that helps you a bit, and I'm sure I've done this upside down, haven't I? Oh dear. Oh no, that's the right way there, yes. Yeah. But it's a shame there's that bit of a mess on there. I don't know what that's from. I'm going to cut that off and chuck it in the bin so I don't use it for something, eh? There we go. I've just got this small piece now. If I cut this off here, there's a bit that I can just put on something and it's not going to fray all over the place. Well, hopefully it won't. It shouldn't do. And so that's how you stop any fraying or whatever on your, well, it's not sticky. It's a little tiny bit tacky, but not bad that you can't just touch. You're not getting stuck to it, and it won't get stuck to anything else. So you can use that. So that's a visafix, and that's used for applique and patchwork and things, because you cut out your piece and then you put it on there. And all my fingernails are all broken, and that's not good. I've been fishing around in my room. I've made the terriblest mess in my room. It's okay. I'll go in there and clean it up when the weather gets a bit better. So anyway, so that's what I wanted to show you. You can do other sort of things on there too. So, but anyhow, so I hope that helps, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.